Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can clear a queue on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to upgrade to premium. Here you're going to find your notifications, your friend activity, and right here you're going to find your profile icon. If you click on it, right here you can access your account settings. You can also go to your profile, upgrade to premium, start a private session. You can go to your settings, and lastly, you can log out from your account. So right here, as you can see guys, in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. There is the home section, search, and right here, you're going to find all of your playlists. So for example, right now, I'm going to add a song to the queue. For example, I'm going to go to this song. Then I'm going to click on the three dots right here. Here, as you can see guys, you can add it to a playlist, save it to your liked songs. You can add it to the queue, go to song radio, go to artists, go to album, view credits, and lastly, you can share it by copying the song link. So right now, I'm going to add it to the queue. Right now, if you want to access your queue, just go here to the bottom. So as you can see guys, right here, you can enable shuffle. Right here, as you can see guys, you can play. Here you're going to find now playing view. Right here, you're going to find lyrics, queue, connect to device. And here, as you can see guys, you can increase or decrease the volume. So right now I'm going to click on queue. Then as you can see guys, right here, you're going to find your queue. So once you're here, just go ahead and click on clear queue. Then go ahead and click on yes, and your queue will be cleared. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.